I'm Dave Cohen. I work in the data center and artificial intelligence group at Intel, and my focus is on large-scale data management problems for our cloud customers. What I'm going to talk about today is really just quickly an activity that we have underway both with Presto and Spark and Velox. And so this may be visible to some of you who are participating in the community. This is really also a follow-on to the talk I gave last time I gave a talk at PrestoCon. And the focus here is on introducing Substrate into query engines. And specifically here, I'm showing Presto. And the motivation for us to do this on the Intel side is the very rapid and wide-scale adoption of accelerators, GPUs, TPUs, et cetera, as well as upcoming heterogeneous memories. And so one of the motivations for us to look at introducing Substrate is to allow for JIT compilation targeting GPUs as the example. And so we have teams working in Spark on a Intel-led project called OAP Gluten, and another project that's working in Presto with the Presto C++ worker to also enable Substrate use within Presto. You can see here on the right-hand side of the diagram, or on the left, you can see the diagram. You can see Presto calling to its right a native worker that's using just Velox. The goal for the Substrate effort, though, is to allow for the Substrate layer to enable a Velox plan, as well as to be able to JIT compile a target GPU execution. So you'll see more and more of that activity from Intel over the next several months, and a lot more community interaction to get feedback and make sure everyone is able to kind of see what we're trying to do and has buy-in into it. One other just mention, we're doing some work on with academic partners in extending the query planner and optimizer in Presto. So that's pretty exciting. I'm not going to touch on that any more than just mentioning it today, but definitely you'll hear more about that pretty soon. And that's pretty much my update. So thank you, guys.
David, thank you so much. I think there's some really exciting things that Intel's been partnering with Presto Foundation on. Velox, of course, is one of them. So we are looking forward to seeing everything that comes out of that. And thank you for sharing all the work. Appreciate it. David's available, obviously, for questions. So feel free to pop those in the chat. And David, you can go refer over there to answer those. Okay. So with that, we are moving on.